This is the campsite. Oh, it's a little chilly. It is quiet. It's a little chilly. Should get my jacket. I figure we got about half hour sunlight left. So, where's my lights? Get my lights up. 'Cause that is pretty much it. This is the campsite for the next 2 nights. Alright, let me get more prepared. Chair. Ooh. Ooh. 8 o'clock. 30 minutes to get a tent set up, the chair, the table, sleeping arrangements, air mattress, sleeping bag. Good. And now I am thirsty. Let's get a drink. Beer, Sam Adams Summer Ale. Been craving this all day long. Oh, so refreshing. And some wild turkey. I think I'm just gonna hang around for a minute to settle in, and then we'll start cooking. So I got a new stove. Had it set up. Using butane. New stove right there. So, boil some water. Pretty. Look cool. Yellow curry looks like. Yep. Smells pretty good. I would say that is a boil. Alright, that was pretty quick actually. Goddamn lantern flies all over the place. They're all over the place on the lights, on my tents. It's super annoying. Ooh. Smells good. It smells just like curry. Got a good kick to it. Some Mediterranean crackers. Flour tortillas. Just gonna tear a couple pieces. Just throw them in there. Get more carbs. Oh, bitch. It flew in my food. Fuck. That's crazy. Oh well, I'm seeing it. Can't believe the fucking lanternfly just flew in my food. Well, if I die, that's probably the reason why. I'm eating fucking lanternflies. 50 degrees. Ooh. Now I'm getting hungry. Let's cook some eggs and bacon. Mushroom, egg, bacon. Easy. Got this tarp set up. Took longer than I expected. Do it solo. But it's my first time setting it up. Not too bad if I don't say so myself. Shit. Oh, I think I need more air. Oh, I'm tired. That was a lot of work. Just gonna chill here for a bit. Whew. Oh man, that was a it's a 5-star meal I just had. It's pretty damn good. It was some chicken from Wegman. Pretty good. I like it a lot. Ate some tortillas and some shiitake mushrooms and cold beer. Ooh, that was lunch. Oh man, gotta go for a little hike, or just walk around. It is now 2:50. It's a pretty long road down. Descent down was kicking my ass. Had to take my jacket off. I could have just stayed at camp and sweat my ass off there. Nope. Gotta take my ass for a walk. It's a nice area. Oh man. Good spot for a swim. All right, make our way back campsite. It's gonna be a pain in the ass hiking back up. This is where we go. Ow. Fuck. Alright, fire is prohibited. I already know that. Oh, this is gonna kick my ass. And I gotta take a Duke. Oh man. This is a pretty steep incline. Came from down there. Oh, you know what? I gotta stop complaining. I gotta stop bitching into it. Okay. So far, so good. Should be smooth sailing from here on. But that was fun. I think next time, do a little bit more research. Bring some water. Because I ain't bring no water. And I am thirsty. And I'm sweating. It's fine. This is the first time we are going downhill on this trail. Oh. Okay. Shit. That was fun. Yeah. Made it out. Ooh. Home, sweet home. Not bad at all. Hold up. That's it. That's that medium rare. Oh, ice cold. Oh, Jesus Christ. That is good.